Hi, Andrea. This is Andrew for Sprint3. First off, I just wanted to apologize for not coming to class on Tuesday because I was in Arizona all weekend for a tennis tournament. I was unable to work at all during the weekend, so I feel like that I would have been totally not. I wouldn't have added anything to Tuesday class, and I wouldn't come prepared with any questions or with anything at all, and I would have been totally lost. So I just decided to go home, to stay home and do homework, including work on this class as well, and of course getting caught up on other things too. I really only had Wednesday to work on this week, but I think in that one day I think I was able to um, do a fair just do the AABBs in that one day. So um, yeah, was able to get the AABBs done and was able to do some more research on the height maps. And I was not able to get the engine stuff done, unfortunately. But I feel since that I'll have the weekends now, unlike this last weekend, I'm confident that I'll be able to make a dent in those. So here's AABBs. We have it drive from closure volume. We have a wireframe box, the array for all the vertices of the mesh, and obviously all the things that we derive from closure volume. We have it get the box, the wireframe box from the asset manager. And now we get the array of vertices from the model. Then we multiply the right now just the first point of it. I'm just doing here, and then I'm looping. So you multiply it by the world matrix, and then you find the min and max. And here's the loop that basically just goes through all the vertices and finds each min and max value of the x, y, and z. And then we go to the draw. So it has the min and maxes here. And don't use cloud model or cloud matrix, but you find the world matrix again, and using the scale of the translations to set the box in the ship, the spaceship in this case. And yeah, so and then for collisions, very simple. We have three booleans here. The min and max is the two objects that are colliding, and if obviously if the x, y, and z, if the intervals are intersecting, then it will be true, and then if all three of them are true, then it will collide. So alright, so yeah, we have the box here, and it acts as line, so it fits the orientation of the ship. When I move it around, obviously when I move it into the cabin, it will collide. So yeah, right now I have the user set it being a bounding sphere or a ABB right here. So collidable set bounding sphere or set ABB right there. And then I have, as of now, I don't have the double dispatch to get it to the proper collision test if it's different. But I have, right now I have booleans to say if the collidable is a sphere, is an ABB, to get the proper for the future. But I won't be using that. It's just, yeah, so. Alright, so that's that. And for research, I looked at the Iridel code for the terrain importer, and I was really confused on basically everything that was in there. It was quite confusing. Didn't really understand any of it. Did some internet researching. I found this really nice internet tutorial on terrain and height maps, and I think this will it goes through step by step of the terrain class. Um, Basically, just running through OpenGL as well for things like normals, and basically just a nice step by step explanation of how it works. Obviously, I won't be using this code exactly. That'd be kind of cheap and not fair. Uh, but it will be helpful in understanding the the concepts that I will need to know if I'm going to be able to do this. All right. Yeah. So I'll see you in class tomorrow, and yeah. So and again with the me being behind again and um, all this stuff, and I know it must be irritating you. It's irritating me too. I am telling you, I'm working hard. Hopefully you can believe me on that. I just feel that I'm working hard, but for some reason it takes me a little longer to do the work than it does for most people in the class. I just feel like it takes me a lot longer to grasp concepts and to apply them. So, all right. Well, thanks again, and